We just applied for our dream home. I'm feeling so nervous. I'm feeling so excited. I literally am sitting in the parking lot. I just hit submit on my application. So I have no idea which way this is going to go. And if we get it, it will be the most beautiful home that I've lived in ever. And I will get to make it my own. And that's something that's so exciting. And my living situation, the past few months since being back from Florida has not been ideal. I don't want to get too into it because it's pretty personal, but let's just say it's not ideal. It's also scary, and we could also get denied, and so that's also scary. And then if we get approved, then we're on a 30-day time crunch where we're gonna have to move out, which means we're gonna have a lot of prep to do in these 30 days. We got rid of a lot of our stuff when we moved back from Florida, so we have a lot to buy, a lot to manage, a lot to do. So it's very nerve-wracking, and we also have a massive trip in April, and we have to factor all this in. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna share if we don't get approved. So if you're watching this, that means that we just got approved for our dream home. It's not even an apartment, it's a home. It has been a minute since I have been on YouTube, and that also means that I forgot completely how to vlog. So please bear with me while I try and get back in the swing of things. It is the end of January. January has lasted forever, but it also flew by. I have so many exciting things, and I need to get back into vlogging because I miss you guys. I miss vlogging. It's this side of like long form content. I've actually just been struggling with content a lot in general lately. I think this next chapter of my life is like really going to allow me to be better at content creation and all of that. I feel like we need to do like a good catch up. Like maybe we'll do like a Q&A or something, because I feel like I have so much that's been going on in my head with content. I've had so much going on in life in general. I feel like we haven't really caught up. Today is going to be the first episode of my moving series, which means we are moving. We've basically been searching for a place to live for a while now. We were looking at apartments, homes, townhomes, everything you could think of, and the search was horrible. Like everything sucked, or it's too expensive, or a mix of both, or something was wrong with everything. And then in walks this beautiful place, which was theoretically our perfect home for where we are in life now. Like it just hit all the things we needed. It's a little pricey, and so it was a little scary, but we decided to take the leap. And like with my social media being so important to me, this house would like allow me to be able to shoot content, and it was aesthetic and beautiful. So we decided to take the leap, and we applied, and we said if we didn't get approved, just look for something else, and if we got it, then it was meant to be. So we got it. Yay. I say that like so quickly, like, oh, we got it, yay. No, like I was so nervous. It was a very stressful few weeks, but we did get it, and I'm so grateful. We still went back and forth after we got approved, like, should we do this, should we not? But we decided to do it. That we have so much to do. So we are moving out in less than 2 weeks. Since moving back from Florida, a lot of our stuff is still packed up, so I can't even fully remember all the things we need. We did leave a lot behind, so we also need to buy a lot too, which is like, why did we leave that to the last minute? Costco shopping, which I will insert some of those clips into this video so you can see what I bought. I do need to go to Home Goods and TJ Maxx today, and I feel like those shops are a little fun to take you guys with. We need things like bath mat, shower curtains. It has 4 bathrooms, like 4 bathrooms. Shower curtains are for the guest bathrooms, so I want them to be like cute, but also I don't need to spend a ton of money. And I'm at that point, my room is a mess, but I also need to pack, and I don't know, is it like worth cleaning up the room or like packing up things? And I'm literally about to change my sheets, and it might be the last time I change my sheets in this house, which is like crazy. A lot of good to look forward to, but also a lot of money needs to be spent. A few other life updates too. I am going to Japan in 3 months, and that has a lot of planning, so I need to do a whole separate vlog on my Japan planning. But in the meantime, we don't need to keep chit-chatting. Goods, TJ Maxx, wherever the wind takes us. Okay, on lists of things that are cute that I don't need but I actually might buy are these little cups. They're $12.99, but they're so cute. And I feel like I could find a good use for them. Like, I feel like we can make them work. Okay, so Faiza was supposed to be here as my emotional support to not buy too many bad things, but she also doesn't have a job right now, and she found this cup and she's gonna buy it. And we also found and this giant espresso maker, which we use the small one at home on the daily, and she's like, what if I could make more at one time?
Exactly. And what else?
We are sitting with a lot of ratatouille stuff because I can't help myself. Giant load in the back. I will give you a haul later, but you can see I got a little scratcher for Willow, a little dog like food water tray for the dogs, a dog food for the dogs, yeah. Anyways, a trash bin for my bathroom and all this stuff. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff, and then I think like a lot of the filler stuff I'm just gonna order off Amazon because I don't think like the guest bathroom needs like as like cute as like a trash bin or whatever, because it's gonna be like downstairs and no one's gonna be really using it often. Here is the matcha, called the red white matcha, and it's strawberry, oat milk, and matcha, and it's delicious, and 10 out of 10 recommend. Best boba in Washington, but I don't get boba in my matcha because I don't need it. Okay, don't mind the mess. We are in total packing mode and it's so stressful, but one thing I'm really grateful for is I've been collecting all the PR I've been getting so I can have it for my new house. So I have like a few months supply of laundry, soap, cleaning supplies, literally like, let me just show you. I literally have like snack bags from, let's see, what brand was this? Lunch Skins. I have some like Arm & Hammer, got some Unstoppables, and not to mention I have all of these goodies from Branch Basics, which is like literally all the cleaning supplies I could ever need. Here's another box of stuff. Like seriously, don't mind the mess, but we won this little guy at a party. I'm gonna give it to Penny because she loves when things are like dense and squishy, but my dog's gonna love that. So yeah, I literally have boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes of PR and stuff that I've been saving for the past bit. And like this is all my skincare one, but it's like filled with so many incredible products, and it's like not even all that I have. It's insane. I am stocked for so long. I'm so grateful. So of course the lighting is awful, but I just wanted to document it. This is like the final night that I'm here. I have my Invisalign in and everything. I'm literally just about to go to bed, but it is my last night here before we get the keys to our place. I definitely need some beauty sleep, so let me go do that. It's moving day and Willow has claimed her throne. Sweet girl. We're going to get our key now. So we are in our new home, yay, and we're having our first meal. It's actually my first meal of the day. We're having a Subway sandwich. Holler, there's one right by our house. Holler. Got me a coffee, a nice decaf, something, it's good.
Also sauteed with oat milk.
Wonderful, and he has himself a Pepsi. We just did our walkthrough. We're gonna eat because, like I said, I haven't eaten all day and it's 4 o'clock and I have to go to work later, but I'll give you guys a house tour very, very soon. Okay, let's do a quick little house tour. I am going to kind of show you in little spots because obviously I don't know if there's like a safety issue showing you guys our floor plan, but I'm going to do my best to show you everything without showing too much. So here's the living room. It's very full right now, as you can see, but we'll have space for the couch around here and then TV over here. I can kind of, yeah, let's 0.5 it. And as you can see, there's stairs to upstairs here. This is very spacious. I'm gonna put a coffee cart here for my morning coffees, but the kitchen is beautiful. This like countertop is huge. So I'm like really excited because we're gonna be able to like meal prep on here, cook. The kitchen content is going to be flowing because I love this kitchen. We have a nice pantry here, and then we have a dining room, which I've never had a dining room before. I ordered a table, part of the Lowe's Creator program, and I ordered a dining table from them. So I'm gonna see if they'll like approve it, and if so, we'll have a dining table here soon. This is one of the bedrooms, which is going to just be like a library game room. I'm gonna put my reading chairs in here and my piano. And then there's a bathroom here for like, I assume like if anyone comes over, this is the bathroom that they would be using. The bedroom is a little bit dark because, oh, there we go. Okay, that's better. I thought there was no light in here, but it's actually really spacious. We have a king bed, and I think the king bed is going to like just fill up space and we'll still have room. I am really excited. We have a very big walk-in closet. And then over here, this is the main bathroom, which has a beautiful shower. My only issue with the shower though is that there is no storage at all to put anything anywhere. So I'm going to be ordering like a little rack thing for there. I do love that we have a double sink, and then the bathroom is here, which is a nice like private bathroom. I like that the bathroom kind of closes off so I can be getting ready here. Someone could be using the bathroom. We have a beautiful linen closet, which I just love storage. Our washer dryer is Samsung, which I'm really excited about. That's how you know you're becoming an adult. Spacious it is. But I do have an issue because this bar up here for storage, which is like where you'd put your laundry soap, is way too high for me to reach. So I'm gonna have to store things on top of the washer, which I don't love, but it's fine. I have another guest bathroom. This room I'm so excited about. It's going to be my content creation room, which is beautiful and spacious. And this is gonna be my creating space. So that's wonderful. This room is going to be Hayden's office, which is also spacious. And then we have another level, which is pretty cool. This is the guest room. This is basically where Fiza is gonna live when she moves in. And then there is actually a very huge walk-in closet in the guest room. And also there is a lovely bathroom space too. So we are very fortunate that we have lots of space. And then this leads out to our backyard. We have a nice, lovely little backyard here, which I am excited to have for summer. And as you can see, there's snow right now, which is lovely and cold. And we also have a garage, which I'm excited about. We are already unloading everything. Okay, that was my house tour. I set you up on a cat food PR box that Willow got, but I was gonna do a quick little like pause to talk about one of my new favorite brands. Hold on, let me see if I can make this a better angle. This is slightly better, but it's not great. But I just started working with the brand, and they are a cleaning supply brand. Products are non-toxic, they're safe for animals, they're safe for humans. Branch Basics, as you can see, I already used some of the dishwasher tablets. All my Branch Basics to start cleaning the house with. All of these products, but the most important product is this concentrate, which this concentrate basically does everything. So I'm gonna work on filling some of these bottles up so I can start cleaning. Okay, and just like that, I literally made all of these with this, and look how much I still have left. And that's like not to mention that it could also make laundry soap, but we already have laundry soap and also laundry detergent from Branch Basics. So I do have a code with them, but I like only would promote them if I love them, and I do. And my code right now is FARA. It does change, but it'll save you 15% off your first order. But like, I love them so much that you definitely should. I also remember that I wanted to give you guys like a Costco haul of everything we bought, and I never did, so I figured I would do it as I unpack. First thing that we got is these bowls, which we bought 2 sets, and I have 1 set already in here, but they're a really pretty sage color, and they have like 4 different bowls in them, which is super cool. And then hold on, we're just moving you around. You're sitting on top of the box. These stackable stainless steel mixing bowls. Oh my goodness, we did a lot of shopping. We got these little glass mason jars. These glass Tupperwares, which I think are so cute. I love the color. Coming in with more, which I thought would be like perfect for salads, because I love eating salads in big bowls. But it's so funny because Hayden says these are cereal bowls, but that's a lot of cereal. And we got these, which are produce keep sets, and they are plastic, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I did decide, because we're not warming up the plastic, it'll be perfect because it's just gonna be like holding produce. And then we got, Hayden's gonna come in with it, a giant garbage can, and this also came from Costco. Ta-da! And we bought 2 sets of these, and I really like them. They're just kitchen towels, but I like them because they gave like coastal vibe. You guys know I love anything coastal still, so very cute. That is just what we've unloaded so far, but there's so much more coming. So one fun thing about moving in is I get to work with some awesome like home brands, and Yamakaze Home sent me a few items, but this is one of them, and I really like it. It's like a little laundry hamper, and it's collapsible. So it literally like just collapses onto itself, and like literally I can like fill it up and carry it to the laundry room. So literally it's just like an easy, or it would totally fit in between here for storage. I can have it like this. And I feel like that is like super handy. And so I'm really loving this already. Willow, welcome to your new home. I think we're gonna end the vlog here. Things have just kind of been all over the place and it's been like a little choppy and whatnot. So I'm just gonna end it here. We'll edit it, put it out there, and I will start a new one soon. Thank you guys for watching.